guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour with a tablespoon of sugar and a generous pinch of salt. Just mix it. And some allspice as well, just to give a little flavor. Now pour 3/4 cup of vegetable oil with 3 tablespoons of cold milk, and we're just gonna mix this. Once it's mixed, we're gonna dump onto our pie plate, and then we're gonna fill up the pie plate sides to bottom up, sides up, bottom to sides up, making it the pie crust. Knead a little so that those loose flour mixed into the dough. Now just press it again, bottom and sides up, turning it into pie crust. You can use your finger, spoon, or you can even actually dump it on a clean surface and roll it if it's easier for you, whichever method you like. I'm just so lazy, so I'm just gonna use my finger and the back of spoon. Now that our crust ready, set aside, and we're gonna make the filling. For the filling, I actually grabbed a wrong one. This is pumpkin pie filling already, so it's super easy to use. So we're gonna call it no hassle pumpkin pie. I like if it's using pumpkin puree. I have other kind of recipe to use, but because this is pie filling, and it's not focusing. Because this is pie filling, it's just so simple to use, so it will be no hassle. Now lightly beaten 2 whole egg, like so. We're gonna add 1 can of the pie filling. Gonna mix it with evaporated milk as well. Just mix it. You can add a little bit more of pumpkin pie spice, but this pie filling is ready or already with pumpkin pie spice. Once it's mixed roughly, put it on our pie crust, and it's ready to be baked. And you'll be the one screaming out. Do you guys like Radiohead too? This is Radiohead playing in the background. Most likely YouTube gonna censor this video. Now we're gonna bake the pie for 15 minutes on preheated 425 Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, I'll take out the pie from the oven, and we're gonna cover the sides so it wouldn't be browning too much. And then we're gonna lower our oven temperature to 350 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake it for another 35 to 40 minutes. Like so. Now back to the oven again, 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. Take out from the oven and let it cool on the counter. You want some decoration? I'm too lazy to make it with my crust and whatnot. I just press some maple cream cookies on the sides while it's still warm.